Here is our flow chart. As you see, we have a loop where we turn the motor on, and we'll read the values. If it's high, then it turns off, and if it's low, then it turns back on.
So this is our actual code. As you can see, we declare all the certain pins for what they're going to do. We then have our void loop, which is the continuous loop that we're always doing. So in our void loop, we read all of our sensors.
Yeah, I'm here this weekend.
And then we have an if statement that if it's below a certain level, then it'll turn it on. If it's above a certain level, then it'll turn it off until it reaches the low level again, then it'll turn back on. And as you can see, here's our product. So it will turn back on until it reaches the medium level. It takes a little bit. And then it turns back off until it reaches the low level again. And it will constantly repeat the cycle. As you can see, it's going to do the same thing over again. And here is our circuit. Here is our relay. And here is our sensor.